Evet, Oblivion'a kaldığımız yerden devam ediyoruz. Şimdi bu görevi yapacaktık. Şuraya da ışınlanabiliyorduk ama oradan direkt adama giderdik. Yani yolda bir şeyler keşfederiz diye umuyorum. Zaten yavaştan gözükmeye başladı. Mesela bir tane mağara gözüküyor şu an. Evet, şurada da bir kale gözüktü. Şurada bir şey gözüküyor mu? Yok. Evet, kılıcımızı sokarsak, silahımızı indirirsek biraz daha hızlı koşuyoruz. Evet, yolda da hiç yaratıkla karşılaşmadık. Evet, sanırım bu adamın kampı. Evet, buralarda çok bir şey yok. Ama şey biliyorum. Burada 2 tane Oblivion kapısı açılacak en az. Böyle çok uzakta olmayan. Onu da iyi hatırlıyorum çünkü şey yapmıştım ben. Martin'le beraber kapatmıştım o kapıları. Acaba öyle mi yapsam ya, hani aklımda şey var, mesela bir sonraki göreve geçmeden önce ana hikayede ilk önce bütün Oblivion kapılarını kapatmak var her seferinde. Hepsi birden açılmıyor. Her görevde birkaç tane açılıyor. Ve en son bildiğim 90 küsür açılıyor.
I guess I've been expecting you, assassin. Don't try to deny it. I can see it in your eyes. Your dark brotherhood through and through. Let me guess. It was Ochiva, right? No, wait. Tainava. Yes, he put you up to this, didn't he? Ochiva was always too busy to even be bothered. Well, you can kill me if you like. I'm afraid I won't make much of a challenge, though. The Argonian Royal Court already sent an agent to do the job. He failed, of course. His body's around here somewhere. But he got in a pretty good hit. If I don't get some rest, I'm probably dead anyway. So maybe I can appeal to your sense of goodwill, huh? You let me live, and I'll tell you where I stashed my treasure. Is it a deal? You show unexpected mercy. For that, I am thankful. My treasure is hidden in a hollowed-out rock near my campfire. It's yours. Oh, yes. I suppose Tainava wants proof that I'm dead, eh? Let me guess. My heart? I suggest you take the heart of the dead Argonian agent. His body is around here somewhere. Present the agent's heart to Tainava as proof, and he'll be none the wiser.
Evet, şimdi bir bakalım nerede bunun şeyi. Ceset burada. Evet, bakın mesela çok güzel, 8 kat. Senin hazinen nerede? Ha, kayadaydı değil mi? 56'ncıkmış. Zaten canı çok düşük. Gerçi şu an yağmurun sesini arttırıyor bu. Evet, şimdi acaba bu bize infamy verecek mi? Şu an 5.
Ha! Yes, that is an Argonian heart. Of that I'm sure. You have slain Scartail. Well done. Please take these boots as payment for your services. They are called the Boots of Bloody Bounding and carry a powerful enchantment. I'm sure you will find them most useful. May you walk always in the shadow of City's dear brother.
Evet. Vermedi. Çok güzel. Yani kullanılabilir gibi ama fiyatına bakınca şimdi satasım geldi. Aynı şeye benzemiyor mu? Morrowind'deki Tiber Septim'in botlarına benzemiyor mu? Evet, şimdi şeye gideceğiz. Şu küçük görevi yapacağız. ANVİL'deki Savaşçılar Loncası'ndan aldığımız küçük görevi yapacağız.
I'm only asking. Mark Galit knows more about how to cast a fireball than anyone in Anvil. I try to stay on his good side. Sure. Go down to the chapel and you can't miss him. He'll be the one outside, ranting at passers-by. It's unbelievable. Right in the center of the city. Nobody saw anything. Makes you wonder about the competence of the guard, if you ask me. Thank you, kind sir.
Evet, sesleri değişiyor, çok iyi. Evet, kadının evi şurada. Kadın bir de dammer çıkarsa tam... Evet, şu an topik ekleniyor çünkü DLC'deki karakter konuşuyor şurada bir yerde. O konuştukça biz onu duymasak bile, uzakta olsak bile şu an yüklü olduğu için adam ekleniyor şu an topikler. Evet, tam Dammer ismi var ve kesin Dammer çıkacak. Hatta yüzünü tam hatırlıyor muyum bakayım? Yüzünü doğru hatırlıyor muyum?
Ah, you must be from
Yok.
the Fighters Guild. Good.
Yarı yarıya.
It has to do with the rats in my basement. That's right. Rats in my basement, and something's been killing them. It's horrible. My poor babies. You must do something. I don't know what I'd do without them. Their little pink noses, their scaly little tails. Please get to the basement and find out what's happening. You can't imagine the fuss some people make. My rats are no problem for anyone.
İnşallah.
Please save my little rats.
Evet, bu arada fareleri öldürmemeniz gerekiyor. Değmez.
Well, what have you found? Did you take care of my babies? What was going on down?
Bu arada siz öldürmediğiniz takdirde demiş, bir şey yanlış söyledim. Siz öldürmeseniz bile hepsi ölürse eğer bu sıçanların yine görev başarısız oluyor.
A mountain lion? In my basement? But how? That's not possible. But it happened. What if there are more? What if it wasn't alone? Where there's one, there will be more. Find Pinarus and Ventius. He's a hunter and knows this area inside and out. He'll know what to do. Please, go find Pinarus and those mountain lions.
What can I... Pinarus and Ventius, hunter, woodsman, and marksman at your service. Everybody's talking. Mountain lions? Here. Odd. If they're around, I can find them. Come with me. A hunt will do us good and maybe make that old nut feel better. I can show you some new things. Let's go hunting.
Böyle yürüyecek miyiz? Evet, bir de şeyi merak ediyorum. Evet, hırsızlar loncasının görevi nerede? Neyse, ben ona bakarım. Daha sonra.
Morning.
Evet, bu bir cüce kalkanı mı? Acaba? Mesela bak, bu da sanırım, evet, bu kesinlikle bir cüce botları. Cüce zırhında nedense böyle bir şey var, mor bir kısım var. Anlamadım.
Let's see if we can't find those mountain lions. Let's go hunting.
Evet, bir an geri dönecek sandım. Evet, ileride de bir tane mağara ve han varmış. Onları da bir keşfederiz belki. Şu zaten dibimizde. Evet, çiftlikmiş. Evet, yine duymadığımız birileri konuştuğu için herhalde şurada konuşuyorlar. Yani çetenin DLC ile alakası olduğunu zannetmiyorum. Şimdi burada bir yerle çıkıyorlardı galiba. Evet.
If they're out here, they'll be in this area. I can't imagine there are more than 4 of them. Let's take care of this. You're pathetic. Do your best. I think that'll be all of them. Can't imagine more in this area. You can go tell Arvena this is all taken care of. Good hunting.
Evet, bir kesinti oldu.
You've got to take care of those mountain lions. You think you've gotten rid of them all? You do? Well, you haven't. There's one in my basement right now. Go get it.
Kadının sesi koymaya gitti. Evet, hızlı olalım. O aslan şeyleri öldürmesin.
gods you killed that thing. This is ridiculous. Someone's out to get me, to get my poor babies. I'll bet it's that quill weave next door. She's the one. She's never liked me or my sweet little pets. I know it's her. I've even seen her sneaking around in back of my house at night. She thinks she's so smart. She and all the other women. I'll show her. I want you to keep an eye on her. Find out what she's up to. Please save my little rats.
Afternoon.
Hello, good sir.
What is it, pond scum?
My name's Quillweave. I've had some success selling stories about the lives of the lower... I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not sure what you're accusing me of, but don't do it without any proof. Between the sailors and shipmen of the port and my little local circle of friends, I have plenty of yarns for knitting up my tales. You've got a lot to learn. Take care.
Evet, dışarı çıkmış.
Evening.
Duvara takıldı.
Yes. You what? Well, I'm sure I don't know what you're talking about. I would never go Fine, you've got me. I figured if I left some rotten meat outside, the nasty little things would come out, and the guards would take care of them. Mountain lions? In her basement? I just wanted to lure her vermin outside. I didn't mean to hurt anyone, except the rats. Please, don't tell her. And if you can keep this our little secret, I can make it worth your while. There's a bit about acrobatics I can teach you. Give it some thought. Take care.
Bana ne söyleyeceğim. Hani akrobasi dedin, güzel dedin ama niye dereyi dizecektin? Sorun şu ki bu oyunda akrobasi o kadar şey değil, OP değil. Moramit'te mesela OP'di. Bu oyunda athletics. Yani koşmak daha hızlı seyahat etmenizi sağlıyor.
So, did you follow her? She's behind it, isn't she? Tell me what you found out. I knew it. That Swit. Oh, I'll get her. You just wait. Must have taken some fast talking to get her to confess. Maybe I can teach you a little bit more about how to talk to people. And of course, here's the payment for the contract. Thank you. Lead
me alone.
Thank you for all your help.
Make it quick. Leave me alone.
Evet, şimdi bir infamy geldi ve çok iyi. Evet. Bitti.
Hi there. Greetings. It's my pleasure. Please continue. Looking for more work, eh? Good. Got a contract for you. I'd like you to go talk to Norbert Lels here in Anvil. He runs Lels Quality Merchandise here in Anvil. He's been having problems with break-ins, though, and he's hired us to put a stop to it. I've heard Carahill is a powerful illusionist. No wonder she's the ranking mage here in Anvil. Let's get to training. Take care of Lels. He needs the help.
Hail!
I don't know what to think about it. Yes,
How do you do?
Greetings! Welcome to Lels Quality Merchandise. We have a wide range of goods to suit your needs. Oh, and perhaps you saw the sign outside? A slight mistake, you know. Bit of bad luck there. So, what can I do for you? I am Norbert Lels. I've lost a great deal of merchandise over the last few months. I keep replacing it, but they keep stealing it. New locks on the doors be damned. They always come at night after I've gone to bed. Maybe a mage transports them inside. You can just stay in the shop overnight. Good luck. I'm going to wait at the flowing bowl until this mess is settled. I know I can trust you to keep the place safe. Arvena Thelus is an odd one. I've heard some strange noises coming. As I said, I'll need you to stop these thieves from breaking into my store. Anvil's a port town. That's why you'll see items here you won't find in the Imperial City. The captains keep an eye out for special items for me. Good day.
Spit it out or hit the road.
Çok iyi. Adamların da dip dibeydik ya.
No time to talk. I don't like you and don't want to talk to you. Just go away. No time.
Evet, garip oldu biraz.
I don't have time for you.
Bunlara saldırmam mı gerekiyor benim direkt? Benim en son kayıt nerede?
Hello?
Well,
Who's there?
Look who we've got here.
This ends here.
Lan sakin sakin.
You're pathetic.
Best.
You'll make.
Evet, bir tanesi gitti.
to be
Lan,
here much.
lan kılıcım mı kırıldı? Galiba şey yaptı. Silahımı elimden düşürttürdü. Lan kalkanım da mı yok benim? Var. Evet, şöyle yolumuzu açıyoruz. Evet, bir kesinti oldu.
This is the part where you. Oh!
Show me what. Ow!
Çekemiyor muyum seni? Çekiyorum. Buna değer. Yalnız şey var değil mi bizde? Oblivion'da şey yaparsanız, taşıma kapasitenizi açarsanız yürüyemiyorsunuz. Skyrim'deki gibi olmuyor yani. Şimdi alıyorum ama bende sanki öyle bir büyü vardı. Yok galiba. Ha, şu. Kullansak mı bunu acaba? Hadi kullanalım.
You do? Were you able to take care of my problem with breaking? You've gotten them? Wonderful. But their names are familiar to me. All of those men have worked for me. Amazing. I even trusted them to open up the shop in the mornings. I can't imagine what turned them to a life of crime. Sad. Well, here's your payment. An all-female gang of thieves has been recently plaguing Anvil with a very unique method of robbing. They pick on only the men. If you want to help us do something about it, go talk to Gogan and Malona. Let's just say Gogan is intimately involved and leave it at that. Bye.
Evet, yalnız ben direkt İmparatorluk şehrine gitmek istiyorum. Bunları ilk önce bir satalım. Tabi süre geçtiği için. Ama bu büyük kılıç benim şey yapmamı engelleyecek. Şunu bir atalım, rahatlayalım.
Spare a coin.
Evet, burayı kullanıyorum çünkü görevini yaptığımız için adamla ilişkimiz
It is
arttı.
good to see you.
O yüzden
I
şey
offer
oldu.
the finest goods and
Şuraya getirebiliyoruz fiyatı. Mesela daha fazla arttırabiliyormuşum. Arttırabiliyor muyum? Evet. Evet, o eşyaları sattım ve bir de level atladım. Bir tane fame puanı kazandık Savaşçılar Loncası'ndan. Her görevinden zaten bir tane gelecek. Şimdi bu göreve gidiyoruz. Evet, bu Gogan erkek mi acaba?
Eh? What do you want? Heinrich Oakenhull is married to a Bosmer? I suppose the women are less annoying than the men. Talk to Malona. She runs the council. Judge, jury, and executioner. Talk to her. She seems to have all the answers.
How would you like to get my husband Gogan out of hot water? Believe me, he'll need all the help he can get to worm his way out of this one. To think he'd fall for the gang's scheme. Ugh, I could kill him. I'm sorry. I'm rambling, and you look confused. Let me explain. The women in the gang use their wiles to lure men out to some remote location and rob them blind. It's been going on for some time now. The city guard hasn't done very much about it because, frankly, the men who are robbed are so embarrassed they don't want to report it. Take, for example, that good-for-nothing husband of mine, Gogan. He cared more about their charms than my own. Something about Arvina Thelis is a bit odd. When Gogan was, with the women, they took something quite valuable from him. No, it's not what you're thinking. He was carrying a precious family heirloom with him when he was lured out to their lair. It was a small ring given to him on our wedding day. The ring belonged to my mother and has been in the family for generations. I'm willing to give you all the money I have to get it back. 100 gold. Can you help us? Thank you. I'm afraid I can't offer you much help, but I'll do what I can. All I can tell you is that the best place to start is at the Flowing Bowl. It's a tavern located outside the city walls near the waterfront. Gogan may be able to give you more information beyond that. I like it here. People are very friendly. Much nicer than in the Imperial City. The Flowing Bowl attracts the...
What do you want? I see my wife couldn't keep a big mouth shut. Yes, it's true. I lost the family ring to those sirens. I'm ashamed about the whole incident, but not ashamed enough to ask for your help. I was sitting in the Flowing Bowl when the most fetching Nordwoman you've ever seen walked in with an equally attractive Imperial woman following. After we exchanged words, I followed them out to a farmhouse. Inside, they asked me to remove my clothes and items. Well, I did. And then suddenly they brandished weapons and robbed me. They sent me away with barely a stitch of clothing. Harlots. Just please, help me get that ring back. I want to save what's left of my marriage. I'm merely a man. How could I resist? What a... mess I've gotten myself into.
Lan nasıl? Ha, yanlış yere gittim. Evet, kapı şuradaydı bizim.
from where do you hail?
Hi there.
What is it, Pons? Heinrich Okenhull. Stop talking.
I haven't seen you here before. Aw, and you're all alone, too. How sad. Well, if you're up to it, I think we can solve that little problem. You see, me and Faustina here are lonely, too. And we've been looking for someone. You look like just what we need. I'll tell you what. We have a cozy farmhouse not far from here where we could, well, get to know each other much, much better. I'll mark it down on your map just so you won't forget where to find us. Meet us there around 11 o'clock. I can promise you a night of fun you won't soon forget. Do I really have to spell it out for you? You're a man, and I'm a woman with a certain desire. You figure out the rest.
Güzel değil bu.
Hello.
What? Can't wait to see you later. Don't keep us waiting. Hope you're not planning to get much sleep. Can't wait to... He's a blessing on this town. The only one to have made any sense out of the terrible tragedy. He preaches every day outside the chapel. Drink up. Up and eat something. You'll need...
Evet, şuradan yürümeye başlayalım. Bu çiftlikte bir olay dönüyor muydu acaba?
Astia Inventius, wife of the wood... You hear about Gogan? A gang of thieves is running a scam in town, and he fell for it. What an idiot. Good day.
Evet, şuradan galiba ulaşamayız. Şöyle dağlara, taşlara çıkmamız gerek diye düşünüyorum. Oraya ulaşıp bölümü sonlandıralım. Evet, bir aile harabesi. Bir şey bize agrolandı ama.
Oh, what's the matter? Is the baby gonna cry?
O çok iyi. Cüce hançeri. Evet, şurada da bir mağara var. Ya da ona gitmeyeyim ya. Evet, mekana geldik. Evet, bölümü burada bitiriyorum. İzlediğiniz için teşekkürler. İyi günler.